Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 JAC T8. The 2025 JAC T8 Pickup Truck is set to shake up the mid-size pickup segment with its blend of power, durability, and modern technology, all at an attractive price. Designed for both work and adventure, the T8 promises strong performance, bold styling, and practical features. Powerful and versatile performance. The 2025 JAC T8 will offer multiple engine choices, catering to different driving needs. Expect a fuel-efficient diesel engine for towing and off-road use, alongside a gasoline option for smooth, everyday driving. Engine options: 2.0L turbocharged diesel. Delivers 140 to 170 horsepower with excellent torque for hauling and off-road performance. 2.4L gasoline engine. Ideal for drivers prioritizing smooth, efficient urban driving. Transmission and drivetrain. 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, providing versatility for all driving styles. 4x4 capability, ensuring excellent performance on rough terrains and tough conditions. Bold exterior with functional design. The JAC T8's aggressive styling will feature a commanding front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular body, giving it a tough and rugged look. Exterior features: alloy wheels with off-road tires for enhanced durability and traction. Side steps, making cabin access easier. Roof rails, adding extra utility for carrying cargo. Integrated rear step bumper, providing convenient access to the truck bed. Comfortable and tech-loaded interior. Inside, the 2025 JAC T8 will balance comfort, convenience, and modern technology to create a driver-friendly cabin. Interior and technology highlights: leather-trimmed seats, available on higher trims, offering a premium touch. 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multi-function steering wheel and digital driver display, providing easy access to essential controls. Automatic climate control, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. Advanced safety and driver assistance. JAC is expected to equip the 2025 T8 with essential safety and driver assist features to enhance on-road confidence and protection. Safety features: electronic stability control, ESC, improves vehicle stability. Hill start assist, HSA, and hill descent control, HDC, making steep climbs and descents safer. Rear parking sensors and reverse camera, aiding in easy maneuvering. Dual airbags and ABS with EBD, providing vital safety in emergencies. Strong towing and payload capacity. The 2025 JAC T8 will be a reliable workhorse, boasting high payload and towing capacities, making it ideal for both heavy-duty tasks and outdoor adventures. Capability highlights: payload capacity, over 1,000 kilograms, perfect for carrying heavy loads. Towing capacity, up to 2,500 kilograms, suitable for trailers, boats, or work equipment. Expected release and pricing. The 2025 JAC T8 pickup truck is expected to launch in mid to late 2025, with a starting price ranging from $25,000 to $35,000, depending on the trim level and customization options. Final thoughts: a tough and smart choice. With its powerful engine options, rugged styling, feature-packed interior, and strong towing capacity, the 2025 JAC T8 is set to be a solid choice for truck enthusiasts, business owners, and adventurers alike. Offering modern features at an affordable price, the T8 is a truck that's built to handle both daily tasks and weekend getaways with ease. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.